Okay, so we're going to do a once in a while I'll do this, a kind of an in case you missed it, some headlines from around the country. We'll see what's going on. Anything that needs a follow up, we'll do a follow up. Assuming there's follow up information. The ones we don't, we just kind of get rid of them. Some of them are a lot of them are serious. Some of them are just kind of funny. Also, I would like to note that 82% of people, I know we're back up to 82% of people that watch his videos are not subscribed to their channel. You got your phone in your hand, you got your laptop, click the button, and we'll move along. So, we're only going to do like 3 or 4 of them. I'm trying to keep these videos shorter. And so let's see what is going on around the country. State Auditor's Office investigates Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools finance. Also, I would like to note, Winston-Salem Forsyth County complete dumpster fires, but here they are.
Financial distress. That is how the North Carolina Department of Public Instruction characterized the Winston-Salem Forsyth County school system following the 2024 audit. Good evening. This is the Fox 8 5 o'clock news. I'm Katie Nordine.
And I'm Neil McNeil. This evening, we know more about these financial challenges. In fact, we got a copy of the letter State Auditor Dave Bolick sent to Winston-Salem Forsyth County School Superintendent Tricia McManus dated April 21st. And it says, Bolick's office will investigate the school system's financial records. This 2024 audit, as we have reported, found the district was short $16 million. Fox 8's Gretchen Stinger has been looking into this today. She joined.
$16 million. They're like, I don't know where the money's at.
Is now live from Winston-Salem. Gretchen, this is really a wake-up call for the school system.
Yeah, the state auditor's office used very strong language in their letter, stating that if anyone knows of any fraud, they should come forward.
If anyone knows of any fraud, well, there has to be at least 2 people that know of the fraud. I'm just throwing that out there.
An investigation has been launched into the Winston-Salem Forsyth County school system's budget by the state of North Carolina. In a letter to Superintendent Tricia McManus dated April 21st, 2025, State Auditor Dave Bolick informed McManus that the school system is being audited, and it's centered around the district's financial records and transactions, including payroll and use of federal grants. Then, on May 1st, the North Carolina Department of Instruction sent a letter to the district with a detailed breakdown showing the school system overspent by $16 million. But where did the money go? It's the question a newly hired financial firm is trying to answer for the district. How and why did the district overspend?
Overspent by $16 million. And actually, this is from 6 days ago. It just dawned on me. There was a follow-up. It's actually more than $16 million. That'll be up later or tomorrow.
And there's a lot on the line for the district. That May 1st letter says the district needs to fix this mess or face sanctions. Board of Education Chairwoman Dina Kaplan was copied on that letter. We followed up with her, and while she declined to answer questions or provide an interview, she sent a statement saying, "We are deeply concerned about the issues raised by the state. We want the community to know that the board is committed to adopting and maintaining a balanced budget. We take this responsibility seriously." Forsyth County Board of Commissioners Chairman...
That is a complete lie. There's no... Remember the COVID funds? They're missing millions of dollars in COVID funds, too. I'm just throwing that out there.
And Don Martin says he's hopeful the school system can figure it out.
Never has the county had to bail out the school district in any kind of situation, and I'm really hoping that's not going to happen in any way this time.
I asked if he was worried this could impact the county receiving any federal grants down the road.
Doubtful that that would be a limitation. Essentially, the district is a large organization. It is stable. It's had this one little blip at this point, and I think that can be correct.
A little blip. $16 million is just a little blip, according to this one.
In place, and I think would not inhibit a federal, reward in any kind of way.
The school system shared in an email that they are working with a financial firm. Now, Chairman Martin told me that he has been invited to sit in on the meeting between the financial firm and the school system next week to get a plan underway. In Forsyth County, Gretchen Stinger, Fox 8 News.
Thank you, Gretchen. So,
At John's Plumbing.
stop. Let's go to Atlanta. Atlanta Police Department's viral video humanizes officers and boosts recruitment efforts. No, they want more money. Also, can we appreciate the lack of any type of physical fitness standards?
It's a video with more than 1 million views online, and while it might make you smile, the goal is deeper, to show the Atlanta Police Department is more than a job, it's about community.
Fox 5's Alexa Liaco is outside APD's
It's about the blue line.
new recruitment center with the message the department is hoping to share specifically to women. Alexa.
Of course.
Yeah, the level of women officers inside APD right now, right around 20%. APD says that is not enough. So by putting their female officers front and center in this video, they hope to show all the roles that women can take on.
Pay attention.
They've got boots on the ground and beats in the streets. The video has made it all across the world, from Africa to Australia.
And if they are proud of this, herein lies one of the problems.
The Atlanta Police Department's latest recruitment video is a fun look at the force keeping our city safe. I want to show the human side of policing. I want people to see that behind the uniform is actually a person, where, you know, sons and daughters and mothers and fathers.
Then why don't you act like it instead of acting like a bunch of thug gang members?
And we also have souls.
And the department is hiring for all kinds of positions.
Whatever your dream is, whether it's SWAT or a homicide investigator, crime scene, negotiator. For myself, I'm using my marketing degree, which I thought I would never use as a police officer.
And
Nobody ever thinks they're going to use their marketing degree. I'm just
APD
saying.
opened up a brand new recruitment center for recruits to come in, ask their questions, and meet with current officers.
Our very first state-of-the-art recruitment center, the only one in the state of Georgia.
Like departments across Georgia and the nation, recruitment here has been tough.
For 2020, it was really hard.
But times are changing and recruitment is growing. APD has a goal of 30% female officers by 2030.
Women
Of course
are really
they
good at
do.
multitasking. Women,
Look at
percentage-wise,
this.
are
Please
less
fucking
likely
stop.
to use force in certain situations. So having more female officers also benefits the community, that nurturing environment and that nurturing vibe that women have.
Lieutenant Murphy and Sergeant Blue say joining this force means joining an agency with resources, including mental health services, childcare, and tuition reimbursement to help keep officers healthy and happy.
Healthy? I haven't seen a healthy one yet.
Police, the people that we're trying to hire moving forward, we want them to have that same passion, because real love and passion for something that you do never seems like work.
I want to see these do the 1.5 mile run.
And the women we spoke with today said they're now working with City Council to get more resources to the force, including more housing options and assistance for officers to make policing even better and help get more officers living in the communities that they police in and around Atlanta. Live in downtown Atlanta, Alexa Liaco, Fox 5 News.
Thank you, Alexa. Now let's go to Dauphin County Commissioner facing DUI charges says he is not resigning. He does not care. He is not resigning. Pennsylvania, Dauphin County, Pennsylvania. Dauphin County Commissioner George Hartwick, who was charged with DUI after a crash involving a county vehicle, tells the news he will not resign. I'm not going anywhere. It's really good to be back and re-engage with our county staff. We've worked tirelessly, and I'm back to do what the taxpayers and those voters in Dauphin County elected me to do, apparently drive drunk, which is to dig in and provide a high level of service that they've become accustomed to, and to support our county employees who are busting their butt. We've got a lot of challenges we face, and it's time to get back to work. He said, yes, apparently his challenges is the booze it and lose it. He keeps losing it. Hartwick said he will issue a statement at Wednesday's commission's meeting. In April, one of Hartwick's colleagues, Dauphin County Commissioner Justin Douglas, called on him to step down. At this critical time in government, we need to expect more from our leaders, not less. This is not a conclusion I've come to lightly, but the pattern is undeniable and it must be addressed. For these reasons, I am calling on Commissioner George Hartwick to resign his position on the Dauphin County Board of Commissioners, he said. Douglas has stripped Hartwick of his oversight duties and was joined by fellow Commissioner Mike Prees, I guess, in revoking Hardwick's privileges to drive county-owned vehicles. Well, yes, can we? Can we do that? DUI charge. Not even listen to this. I have struggled with. No, I'm not doing all that. Hardwick was officially charged with DUI after admitting to drinking half a bottle of vodka before crashing a county vehicle, court documents state. Half a bottle. Is that half of an airplane bottle? Is that half of a fifth? Is that half of a gallon? We don't know. Crash happened. I'll look this one up, though. The crash happened in a county parking garage before a commissioner's meeting where witnesses noted Hardwick's impaired behavior. He was drunk going to the meeting. Initially blaming his condition on medication, Hardwick later confessed to drinking, investigators said. According to the search warrant, investigators said they found a prescription pill bottle with pills inside in the vehicle and other belongings. So, sounds like he was DUI under the influence, impairing substance of alcohol and prescription medication. Dauphin County Commissioners revoke Hardwick's driving privileges. Yes, they should revoke all of that stuff. And that's where we're at with that one. Last one. 2 more Geneva police officers are placed on leave. We'll just roll this one back and let it play. It pretty much sums up the...
2 more Geneva police officers are now on administrative leave. This follows this week's arrest of Officer Michael Tapscott for allegedly selling a generic form of Adderall to someone at a used car dealer in Geneva last month. The 13-year veteran of the department resigned a day before his arrest. Today, Geneva's police chief released a statement announcing 2 officers have been placed...
Wait, resigned before his arrest? We're going to have to look that one up too and see if they just said, well, he's resigned. We no longer have jurisdiction over him. There is nothing we can do. And if that has happened, that is complete and total bullshit.
On administrative leave, pending a criminal investigation by the Ontario County Sheriff's Office. They are Sergeant David Felice and Officer Nathan Jacan. He says they will also be subject to an internal investigation.
Oh, that'll teach him. It won't. Anyway, yes, that's where we're at with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. And this one, and this one, and this one. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, stop.
Got him. Well, big changes in the works for Ryan.
Yes, can we stop? Anyway, also again, 82% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. You got your phone in your hand, you got your laptop, click the button, and we'll move along. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'm out.